Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup from a packet. First, gather your ingredients, the soup packet, a suitable pot, and the correct amount of water. Always check the packet for specific instructions, as water ratios can vary. Having any extra ingredients like fresh herbs or a dash of cream ready will enhance your soup's flavor. This initial preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Next, measure the exact amount of water specified on your soup packet and pour it into your pot. Place the pot on the stove and bring the water to a vigorous boil. Once boiling, carefully open your soup packet. Gently pour the entire contents of the packet into the hot water, stirring continuously to prevent lumps from forming. This step is crucial for a smooth, well-mixed soup. After adding the soup mix, reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Allow the soup to cook for the duration specified on the packet, usually between 5 and 10 minutes. Stir the soup occasionally to ensure all ingredients are fully dissolved and to prevent anything from sticking to the bottom of the pot. Once cooked, ladle your delicious, hot soup into bowls and serve immediately. Enjoy your quick and easy meal. To elevate your packet soup, consider adding fresh ingredients. Stir in some chopped spinach, shredded chicken, or even a few croutons for added texture and nutrition. A pinch of black pepper, a dash of hot sauce, or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice can also brighten the flavors significantly. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other great deals. These small additions can transform a simple packet soup into a more satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.